Good morning, guys. I just got back from my workout this morning. We had a huge day yesterday, which was Lake Day. If you haven't seen that vlog, I'll put it in the description below. It was a really great one. It was Olivia's birthday. Woke up feeling like I was too tired to work out. Those are the days that you need to go work out because they really do rejuvenate you. Feeling really good this morning. And I was so proud to walk in this morning and Miss Olivia is already using her birthday presents, and she has been making frosting for cookies that we're gonna make tomorrow. And we've been talking a lot about food coloring and how food coloring ruins everything, kind of like mommy's new workout clothes. If you're going to work with food coloring, you need to be extra clean and careful, right, Missy?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. The boys had such a big week at Aunt Ruby's house. They are so tired. Yesterday they could barely even keep their eyes open, which was so funny. Today is going to be a very progressive day. We have got our window guys here. They are ripping out the old windows and placing the new windows in. Lincoln is my little buddy today. We're gonna go in and see how the progress is going. I think they just got here only a few minutes ago. We did a little research on windows. We really wanted to put nice windows in, but we didn't want to put like top of the line windows in. We looked into Amsco windows and they have, I believe, 3 tiers of windows that you can do. They've got like the super base model that's super cheap, which is great for some projects. We wanted to put in really good windows because when Joel and I redid our windows, we noticed a huge difference in what they did for the home. And so we also knew that we didn't want to go like the highest tier because that's just not the type of home we're building either. We went with their middle tier that's like a really good window, especially for older homes like this. So you can see they have the windows out. I'm not sure if they've put any new windows in yet. I think they're just taking the old ones out. Oh, I love seeing the tree out there. They've taken the glass out. You can see they've got these taken out, but they have not gone through and taken any of the trimming out. So I'm excited to watch them as they tear into this stuff. You can see Joel's beautiful window wells outside that he put in. I think we're just going to appreciate the before for when we see the after.
When this house was first built, it was white with red trim. It was the cutest thing ever.
Really?
And then, I don't know if they just didn't want to maintain this stuff or what, but they
Who knows?
put aluminum siding on. And
These are going to be the hands down most beautiful part of our entire house when they get installed.
they're the belle of the ball.
Oh, look at that huge window. Let's not break anything today, right?
Yeah. Oh man, I love that. That's a giant picture window.
Oh, I know. I cannot wait.
I'm super excited about that, actually.
Oh, that's gonna be our new front window. Lincoln, come here. Lincoln, come here. You cannot be in their way. Come here. I didn't know he was back there. Come here. Definitely feels weird to be able to just see all the way through the whole house with this huge hole in the wall. I went home to recruit some helpers and I don't even know where these helpers came from. It's like they used to just like, oh, we would say they were help, but they actually weren't. But now it's like when I watch them, I'm like, all right, well, my little men, can you get it in there? All right. Oh, they're switching spots. They know their strengths. Oh, careful. It does make me nervous having them help, but they are just such good helpers. Good job, you guys. I cannot believe you. Cody is ticked that he doesn't have his own gloves. He's like, Mom, I need new gloves.
Me and Boston were walking to the park and we saw all these crickets or grasshoppers, I couldn't tell. And one jumped up and I caught one in the air. And then I peeked at it, jumped out on my shirt, and then I flicked it off. And then another one jumped up and went inside my shirt.
How did you get it out?
I was wiggling and was like...
Typically on a house, you have plywood and then you have the siding that goes up on top of the plywood. And we did not have any plywood around our house, which is why we're having to do the extra work of putting the plywood up before the windows go in. Something we didn't think about is we have the window, the sliding glass door sliding open this way. So when you walk out, you've got a window well right here. So I just contacted Amsco and was like, hey, since this is a standard size door, I'm wondering if we can, if it was a, what's it called? A custom size, we would have just been screwed and had to rebuy one or figure it out. But because it's a standard one, I'm wondering if we can switch it to open from this side so that when you walk out, you can put your stairs here. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I think they're only going to finish installing 2 more windows for today. I think that's all we've got time for. I do want to tell you guys, oh, the breeze feels so good. Oh, they did get this one in, good. One of the main reasons that we went with Amsco windows is because they manufacture locally. Their plant is in Salt Lake City, which means their turnaround time is extra fast. So we made the order about a week ago and the windows were here. And some of these are even custom sized windows. So the speed on this was uber important to me. And the guy was even telling me that their plant in Salt Lake is over 500 million square feet. What does that even mean? And because I know my audience, you guys, is not just local, I asked him where they ship to, and they do ship all over in the US, but not outside the US. You guys just chit-chatting out here?
Oh yeah, learning all sorts of things.
Like what?
He has a sister named Olivia.
Oh.
He used to call her
Leah.
Leah or something. Olivia had a birthday. She's 11. Learning all this kind of stuff.
Well, his strict rule was to not get in your guys' way. I think it may be the end of the day and he's forgetting.
No, that's okay. He's not bothering you.
Let me see.
Let me see.
He's gonna jump out, I bet.
Oh yeah, there he is, little guy.
Hey, little guy. Oh,
Oh,
there he's gone. It's going to be a great day when we don't have to board up the windows every single time we leave here. We were at the house closing up and Joel looked up at me and he was like, did you take the tubing back to the rental place? I was like, no, I didn't. So I like hurried and got in the car, ran home, put them in the truck, ran them here, and on my way Joel called me and he was like, do you have keys to the Suburban and the truck? I was like, oh, yep, I sure do. So he's in like 20 minutes this way. I'm here. I made it to the rental place right before they closed. And now I just need to go back and get Joel. That was a wild end of our day. And did I mention it's like 100 degrees outside? Some people might not see that beauty or progression, but hello, hello, hello. You look so cute now with your white windows. Hi, I'm sorry I trapped you here.
That's okay.
Ready to go? Are you all locked up?
Yeah.
Is the water going?
No, because I can't.
Okay, okay. We're gonna say goodnight.
How come you're sweaty?
Because I've been working all day with you.
We're both sweaty.
He worked harder.
No, Bonnie
I was
worked hard.
mostly the cameraman.
Hey, that's a hard job.
And I watched the kids.
That's the worst job.
I answered emails from a chair right here.
Even worse.
While I watched the
The
kids.
heck with that.
We have an entire playlist in the description dealing with the house such if you're not caught up. And so you can go watch that if you want to. Bye guys.
Bye.